Hello? Hello, yeah? Oh, the haters? Oh, these are my haters? Oh yeah, everyone leaving thumbs downs on all my videos? Oh no, I can't hear you. Oh yeah, no, every time you watch my video, yeah, I get paid way more. No, yeah, you guys still watch my ads, right? Yeah, oh yeah, you do. Oh yeah. No, thank you. I do appreciate it. I don't really mind the hate at all. Hey everybody, how's it going? Welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. My name's Dylan and thank you so much for coming by. The Rideshare Hub is a place for Uber and Lyft drivers to learn how to make more money and be better rideshare drivers. So today, I'm gonna be talking about 10 different ways that you as an Uber and a Lyft driver can make more money to increase your earnings as a rideshare driver. I myself love money. I love cash money, baby. This is some money. We are going to be tipping some Uber drivers. 100 bucks. This is $100. So yeah, stay tuned for that. If you want to be tipped 100 bucks, leave this video a big thumbs up for good luck and maybe you will get a $100 tip too. No, or I'm actually gonna tip some drivers $100. So stay tuned for that. I will announce any details that I have regarding that. But before I get into the video, please hit the subscribe button. This is the Rideshare Hub. This is 2020. Take advantage of this new amazing way to make money as an Uber driver. I myself have been driving for Uber and for Lyft for almost 2 years now, which is bonkers for me to say. And they helped me pay off 2 credit cards of $5,000 and also this car that I'm currently sitting in, which I don't make any car payments anymore because I own this car outright. It is mine. I have the pink slip. So today I'm gonna be talking about 10 ways to make more money. Without further ado, let's hop right into it. I know you guys have things to do. I know you guys have rides to give, so let's start going. The first one, oh yeah, by the way, these are 10 weird ways, different ways. You probably never heard of these before. If you have, maybe you're just cooler than everybody else. These are like not your typical ways, like, oh, do surge rides. Like obviously, you know, doing surge rides and driving at good hours are good ways to increase your income. But the first way, this is called hypermiling. If you don't know what hypermiling is, this is a way to increase your earnings because you will be spending less money on gas and on maintenance. Basically, hypermiling is when you drive slow, I guess slower on the freeway and use your brakes less and you're not speeding up after stoplights or stop signs or after stopping and you're not slamming on your brakes. So every time, if you don't know this, when you're using a gas-powered car, whenever you step on your brakes, you're actually losing energy, right? Because you know, you just used your gas to go, let's say 60 miles an hour, and then if all of a sudden you step on your brakes, now all that momentum that you could have used to keep your car rolling, now you just stopped and you ended it. So what you wanna do is you wanna go a little bit slower, and if you see a car, you know, brake lights way ahead, slow down right now, take your foot off the gas. You don't wanna be all the way up on the, you know, all the way up to the car and then have to slam on your brakes. So you're losing energy there. So hypermiling is big. I've saved thousands of dollars, no joke, over the past couple of years just by hypermiling. I drive well, I don't drive super slow, but you know, I drive the speed limit, I drive safely, carefully, and also your passengers love it too. That's just an added bonus. The number 2 is surge hacking. This is a double one, so double whammy tip. This, I'm packing all of these into 10, all right? Surge hacking and destination filters. So I wanted to include these into one because they go hand in hand. But basically, you want to do surge hacking when you're driving for Uber and you see a surge. What you want to do is you want to set a destination trip to that or through the surge, and you want to try to hit one of the roads near it in the surge, but you don't want to get caught in it. So you know what I'm saying. I think you guys understand what I'm saying. You want to get a ride through it, and then also with destination filters, use destination filters to airports. Airports are huge moneymaker rides. If you can get a ride to the airport, a lot of times when you drop somebody off, you'll also get a ride out of the airport too. So you get automatically paired, you're not waiting in the queue. So that's an easy way to bypass the queue at the airport, is to get a ride in and a ride out. Yes, you're gonna be driving by, looking at all those people waiting in the airport queue and go, all right, later losers, I'm getting my rides. You know, you don't want to be that person that's sitting there waiting for rides. You want to, you know, there's so much money to be made in rideshare. You know, all those rides, I've gotten $100, $200 rides before. You know, they are out there. You know, you just got to be smart so you can get them. And you know, that's why you don't want to take the $2, $3 rides. Number 3 is Play Octopus. Play Octopus is a tablet company. They will send you a free tablet. Yes, 100% free. Has its own data plan. No, you can't go on Instagram or Facebook on it. It's a data plan just for games. You put it on the back of your headrest right here. They're sending mine out. It should be here in the next day or two. I'm gonna do another unboxing video for you guys because, as you guys know, they have some really cool new games on there. So I'm gonna show you guys the games and just also do a full overview. But basically, yeah, it goes right here. Your passengers get in, they play the games. They don't have to if they don't want to. It's totally free for them, and you literally can leave it on mute. This is what I do, and it's like a black screen. It says tap to play. They can tap it if they want. They don't have to, you know? It's a win-win for both of you. And when they ask, oh, what's this tablet? You'd be like, oh yeah, I installed it. And they'll be like, oh, you know, for free? I don't have to pay for it? You're like, no, it's totally free. They usually tip you like $5. So yeah, it's good. Number 4 is Cargo. Cargo, by the way, guys, Cargo is changing. So I've heard, rumor has it is that Cargo will no longer be doing it. I could be totally wrong, so, you know, but basically they're a snack box. You sell passengers like a vending machine in your car. But I think they're gonna be doing ads on the top, on the roof of the car. I could be wrong, but regardless, they are not going out of business. They're just pivoting a little bit. So sign up for Cargo, and maybe you can be one of the first ones to have that cool new program. And some people make $300, $400, $500 with that per month. They pay for their whole car off just by using Cargo. Number 5 is Get Upside. I use Get Upside. I can show you on here. Let's see, where's my Get Upside at? I have Get Upside on here somewhere. Did they just change the logo? Get Upside, Get Upside, Get Upside. Where the heck is it? Get Upside. Oh, here it is. At the top, right there. They just changed their logo. But yeah, that's the logo for Get Upside. That top one right there. Basically, you get discounts on your gas. I can show you how much I've made on my discounts. I essentially am getting like, yeah, so much money off per gallon. It's absolutely ridiculous. But yeah, so I have $12, and this is just for a few days of filling gas, because you know me, driving when you drive around a lot, you know, you're just getting a lot of there we go. Is it focusing? Focus. Yeah, there's the money I've made so far. When you're driving for rideshare, I pretty much fill up every single day. I'm getting back into it because I did hurt my knee, as you guys know. So yeah, use Get Upside. It's discounts on gas. And yeah, yes. I know, I've heard the comments. The gas that you get discounts at are at the more expensive ones. I'm pretty sure they have partnerships with the ones that charge more, so you'll go to them, so they get more traffic. However, you're gonna get more discounts through this than you would if you go to Costco or something, because what you can do is refer your friends who doesn't use gas. I don't know anybody who doesn't use gas unless you're driving a Tesla or you don't have a car. Refer your dang friends to sign up. It's not like you're having them to sign up for some network marketing thing. All you have to say is, hey, you want to discount your gas? Heck yeah, I do. Have them download it, okay? And you can almost get free gas if you're smart about it, you know? All you need is like 5 or 10 friends. I'm sure you guys have 5 or 10 friends. If you don't, make some friends on Facebook, in the YouTube comment section. I don't know. Okay, the next one is FireFly. FireFly is the top ad. I'm pretty sure they're Google-backed company, or Google might even own this company, but they put ads on the roof of your car. This is, I believe, I did reach out to them, and I do believe, or no, I talked to a driver who had FireFly when I was taking an Uber, and he says that they're like super strict. You have to drive like 40 hours per week or 35 hours per week at least minimum. And I think it's just for Uber. I don't think it's for Lyft yet, but they could be expanding. So check out them. It's called FireFly. I'll leave the links in all these in the description down below if you can check them out. But you can make some good extra money with that. The next one, number 7, sorry. Getting hyped up about this. Let's talk about some money. Let's get some money, baby. Hello? Hello, yeah? Oh, the haters? Oh, these are my haters? Oh yeah, everyone leaving thumbs downs on all my videos? Oh no, I can't hear you. Oh yeah, no, every time you watch my video, yeah, I get paid way more. No, yeah, you guys still watch my ads, right? Yeah, oh yeah, you do. Oh yeah. No, thank you. I do appreciate it. I don't really mind the hate at all. I'm just kidding, guys. I like to joke around. So yeah, the next one is driver referrals. Refer your dang friends to sign up. I don't need to tell you guys this. a lot of people, I make a decent amount of extra money just by referring my friends to sign up to be an Uber and Lyft driver. I'm pretty sure it's almost gone. They cut out the referrals in so many markets already, but it's still worth it, you know, just for a couple extra bucks per month to do driver referrals. The next one, passenger referrals. Recruit people to sign up to be an Uber Lyft passenger. I got one friend, he goes to bars late at night, and when they're standing in line to get in, or like clubs and stuff, he'll ask them, he'll hand out his little card that's a little extra, and he goes, oh hey, you know, you're drinking tonight, right? You want a free ride home for Uber Lyft? And they go, yeah, or $5 off, whatever the promotion is. Sometimes it's $10 off. And they go, heck yeah, I do. I go, okay, here, take this. And he racks up like hundreds of dollars every single night. You don't have to do that. You can just tell your passengers. Yeah. The next one, number 9, start your own business and advertise to your passengers. I got a buddy named Greg Wave. He has a social media marketing company. Basically what he does is he does social media for small businesses, and so every time he has a passenger, he'll basically ask them what they do for work, or you know, he's not like soliciting. He's a really good talker. You guys have seen him on this channel, maybe you haven't, but he's good at talking. Basically he'll, like, you know, maneuver in. If they have a small business, he'll be like, oh, you know, and he's so good at talking, he already made a connection with them. Guys, he makes like 30-40% on tips. It's crazy. Sometimes like 50%. Like, I'm serious. Like, he'll go out and do $100 in rides, and he'll make 50 extra bucks just in tips. He's a really good talker. But I was saying is that he'll like ask them, oh yeah, you have a small business? Oh, do you mind if I do marketing for you? And he's like, I'll only charge you $10 for the first week, and if you like it, you can continue. And a lot of times they'll be like, oh, $10, that's nothing. That's less than the cost of this ride. And they'll go, yeah, and then they'll like him so much that then he'll charge his real rate, which is $1,000 per week, or whatever his real rate is, you know? But a lot of times people like to work with people that they have a connection, personal, in-person connection with, not just some rando off the internet, you know? Number 10, this is my personal favorite. Start a YouTube channel. If you're waiting for this, I don't know who needs to hear this, but if you've been thinking about starting a rideshare YouTube channel, do it today. It's so easy. All you need is a Google email and sign up on YouTube, and all you have to do is record on your phone. Hi guys, this is me. I'm going out to drive for Uber today. Here's how much money I made. People love watching rideshare YouTube channels. All you have to do is document. I follow Gary Vaynerchuk's method, which is document rather than create. Rather than, oh my gosh, I gotta make this super cool movie with all these fancy edits. No. What does Gary Vaynerchuk say? By the way, Gary Vaynerchuk is a multi-millionaire. He owns a, what is it, $200 million Gary Vayner Media or whatever. He's super rich, super successful, whatever. He's a motivational speaker. But he says document rather than create. Rather than doing all these fancy editings, all he says you should do is pull out your phone and say what you're doing today. Literally start, I don't know, cross down the street and or walk down the street and just say, oh hey, here's a cool looking tree today. Oh, here's an orange tree. I don't know, just like literally just document rather than create. And you say, oh, I'm having a crazy bad day. I got into the bus today and they missed my exit, or I accidentally missed my exit and I had to go all the way around town. I don't know, don't make up stories, but like, just talk about your day as an Uber driver. Oh my gosh, I had a crazy passenger today. Oh my gosh, I made $700 this week. Oh my gosh, I just paid off my car driving for Uber. People love these things. So document rather than create. It's super easy to start a rideshare channel. You get paid off the ads. You get paid money off the ads. You get paid off money with signing up people for different, like the Play Octopus things. I get a little cut every single time. I think I like I think I like $10 or something every single time someone signs up. It's not, you know, I'm not getting rich off these things, but you know, it's extra money. You know, I can pay for my groceries with it. You know, it's like, it's like a no-brainer, right? Imagine if all of a sudden your groceries are free from now on. It could be that easy if you just create a YouTube channel. That's it. Those are my 10 ways. I have many more ways. They're soon to come. This is 2020. Let's have an absolute banger of a year. Let's absolutely crush this year, guys. You guys are amazing. Get out there, make some money, and stay motivated, guys. Get up every single day and start driving for rideshare. Get up every day, and you know, what do you got? Bills to pay? What is your girlfriend mad at you that you're not making enough money? Get up and start driving rideshare. What is your boss mad at you that you're not working hard enough? Quit your job and start driving rideshare. Whatever it is you have to do, do it. This is, you know, you're not getting any younger. This is a life. We only have a finite amount of time in life. Let's absolutely kill it. Let's not you know, waste our mornings sleeping in. Let's get up early, 5 a.m. I'm talking 5, 6, 7, 8 a.m. You know, that time, whatever it is for you. Let's get out of bed. Let's start making some cash and let's achieve our dreams. Let's do this together. Make sure to subscribe and keep me updated. Comment down below, what is your goal for 2020? What is your goal for the next 5 years? I want to hear from you guys. Let me know where you're driving, what you're driving, Uber, Lyft, DoorDash, whatever it might be. Let's get out there, make some money. You guys are great. Later, guys. Peace.